Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 products that I bought at my local Dollar Tree. With that being said, let's get started. The 3 products that I bought are these. One's the Friends, the television series lip balm, iced coffee flavored, Central Perk lip balm, iced coffee flavored. I like the Central Perk. Now we have the LA Colors Velvet Lip Mousse, which is the velvet mousse texture in the shade Whipped. And then we have the Freckle pen! Yes, a freckle pen. So this creates natural looking freckles in the shade dark brown, and it's called by B Color Freckle Pen Dark Brown. This is so cute, guys. It actually has like ice at the top. Do you guys see that little ice? That is so cute. It does smell a little bit like a caramelized coffee. Oh, I need more product. I'm gonna use my nail. I know many of you guys are like, no, don't use your nail. Okay, that's way better. Oh, ooh. Do you guys see that? It's like very clumpy. Oh, it's like an eyeliner little. Please tell me you move. You do. Okay, let's see. How do I do my freckles, guys? I'm actually excited about this. Oh, no. Is it supposed to be this big? Tap out product with your finger to blend into skin for more natural appearance. Velvet Lip Mousse by LA Colors. Super soft, super silky. Color is not running, so that's really good. The lip mousse is very soft, very nice, very pretty. I like it all. Final rating, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 3 out of 5. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.